Oh, holy hell, guys. Man, it is early. The sun is beaming in my eyes. Oh, wait. The wind has calmed down right now. What a blessing. Usually it's so windy in this parking lot. But today, man, I'm hitting a bunch of thrifts. Sorry if I look ratchet in advance. It was Kinky's birthday last night. We was turning up. We was getting reckless. And I'm hella tired on like no sleep. But I still gotta hit the thrift trenches and see what's up in here. So we finding steals and deals today, boys. We're in a bunch of Goodwills. And we're saying what they got in store for your boy. Let's go. Bro, we hop in. And look who's greeting me. Oh my God. This dude is $1. Look at his high little neck collar. Shout out the boy Donald. That's my dog. Oh wait, no, that's my duck. And you got Stitch in the Thanksgiving attire. Bro, it's about to be a good day. OMG. Then you got a super old little Mickey. I can tell by like the creepiness levels of his eyes and his like head shape. Definitely early to late 80s, mid 80s, late 90s, maybe late 70s, 60s. Any era, this thing hard. Homie got that junk in his trunk. This fool looks like a professor on the cool. Oh, hell no, bruh. They got Miss Piggy the bobblehead and looks like she's chiefing a little bit, smoking a pipe.
Let me dig in that bag of the reefer though.
I think that was supposed to be a phone, but now it just looks like a pipe. This thing is crazy. $5. Yeah, I love these little bobbleheads. Oh, those eyelashes permanent or are they temporary? I don't know, but I love you. No way.
No way.
They got the Finding Dory $2 Fishes Get You Hella Bitches soap dispenser with the chrome on top. Oh, Lord. Guys, this is definitely something I've been looking for. Oh, sorry if my voice sounds different. I think I'm like a little sick. I'm joking, I'm a little sassy boy. But no, for real, man. In the short section, I found these really cool little Reebok shorts. A lot of brands right now are doing a lot of these like teched out type of pockets on their garments. Like FTP had some really sick shorts that were all not ripped like this. Dang, dude, I really thought I came up on something. Maybe I could repair that, just rip off this pocket. What a shame, what a shame. Okay, dude, despite the flaws, these shorts look really, really sick. So I'm still gonna get them. I'm gonna try to repair them, do something of that nature. But I love the fit of these guys. And they got hella pockets for narcotics. Unfortunately, you can't really conceal them because they're mesh. It is what it is. OMG. We got some apartment accoutrements in the form of these condiments made of ceramics. Dude, Pier 1 imports. You got the mustard and ketchup. Okay, these definitely caught my eye. I need them. So I'm taking them. Oh, Lord have mercy on my soul. All right, guys, we're out of there. I'm sorry if the wind is starting to smack the camera. It always happens in this parking lot. I don't know what it is. But yeah, man, the first store definitely has some scores. Let's go ahead to hit up like 8, 9, 10, 11, 17 more True Wheels and see what's good with it. All right, fellas. Oh my gosh, another, no. Dude, I felt that breeze coming. I was about to say another parking lot without wind. Oh my God. We're at the next store. We're going in. Oh, there's a homie, Mike. What up, Mike? What's good with you, baby? Let's see what's up. All right, guys, man, we're in here. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I've been scouring this store for a minute, and this is the first thing that I've came across thus far. Granted, I've only looked in like 2 sections, but you got the little Polo Sport by Ralph Lauren and tank top. I love the tag on that, dude, and the design is beautiful. It also is a tank, so you can show off, you know what I'm saying, the guns, and you hit the pool in style, vintage style, that is, a little polo piece. It's Ralph level. Guys, you know we ain't hood rich. We whoa rich. You did. Bruh, I'm out the mud like a motherfucking hog pig. Hey man, check it out, dude. You have this sick Born to Be Wild. Little live hard or live wild, ride hard. Oh, it got that wild ass hog, that boar with them tusks on deck. It's sick. It has him on the back. Oh, America, baby, hell yeah. Live free, ride hard, baby. We fat as fuck on our bikes. This is circa 2005. Very cool. Also a little high fashion taste / sporting collab. You got the NFL by Reebok mock neck. Come on, boy.
High fashion.
Oh my Lord. All right, baby, right after the little tank top, it appears that the streets are heating up. Look at these crazy vintage shorts. These are like old school knee buster. Oh, what a brand. Got the dinosaur straight munching on the OP, the Ocean Pacific. Now sold in Walmart, but back in the day, man, they had some crazy designs. I love these, man. Definitely a little bit more elongated, sexified, and they match these flowers. Nice. You guys know I love gold. And the best type of head is that what? That duck head. Got the duck head bookends. Classy. Yo, what the hell? It's like they found someone's throne and just raided that thing. Like, look at all these heads, man. They got a duck head, this little devil satanic goat, fucking deer head. I don't know, man. Should I like mount this on a thrift chariot? I feel like that might be a vibe. Actually, the duck head might really be the option to go with. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know. It's like $8. I don't know if it's worth it for the joke, but can you imagine just this duck head mounted on the hood? Oh my. Okay, yeah, we may have to do that, bro. Jesus Christ swag, yo. Look at this jacket that I just found. Okay, this is definitely my vibe, dude. It got like a checkered flag. It has some nice little frill on it. Versace vibes, 80s vibes, shapes, parallelograms, right angle triangles, bro. I think they're just called a right triangle. Hey, either way, I'm no mathematician, but I am a beautician. This is beautiful, I'm copping. All right, guys, so I've been meandering about the store a little bit, and I gave y'all time to vote. 93% say yes. Hold on, let me re-update this. Okay, 89 now. Getting closer. Oh my Lanta. Okay, man. So I let Instagram choose my fate, and I did get the duck head to add onto my van. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. If I'm gonna put it on there, I don't know. I'm kind of shook about the idea, but the votes just keep coming in. Hey. But yeah, man, we got a couple little bags of stuff, so that definitely is good. But let's proceed and get more what we need. Thrifty. Yes, sir. All right, guys, and we have arrived at the next Goodwill, which is right here. Kinky and I were actually in this Goodwill a couple days ago, and I recorded some footage and I never put in a video, so I guess that footage is happening right about now. Dude, Big Bird looks like he's on drugs.
Smoke weed every day.
Oh my gosh. Also, wow, why is this on a wooden hanger? I guess because it's as prestigious as it should be, considering Lil Pump went to this university. You got the vintage Lee Sport Harvard crew neck on deck. So we got like a couple little finds thus far. I also did manage to come across a Simba Little Lion King bed sheet. I'm gonna use this for my pop-up that's coming up. So yeah, I'll take all three of these guys, man. All three of y'all.
All three of y'all.
Dude, I just got done blabbing, and look at this little old school Mickey. He's so cool. Oh, double-sided little pillow. Oh, what's that? Cookie. Wait, how do you say it? Biakan. That's how you say it in Jamaican. Biakan. Is that beer can or bacon? What do you think, Kinky? It's biakan. Right? Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Biakan. You didn't say biakan. Let me hear you say it, dude. For the Jamaicans that watch, come on. That's disrespectful.
That's so disrespectful.
Biakan. Is that a giant piece of asparagus?
Broccoli, bro.
No way.
I be smoking broccoli. Mama told me eat my veggies.
Heat.
Bro, it's so soft though, feel it.
For real? Dang. I think I may need it. Oh wait, hold on. I got mold growing on the top of it. Look at that. That thing expired. Yo. Look at this ambiguous ass stuffed animal. We don't even know what it is. Oh, that texturization though. Y'all know y'all want to touch that. You already know. How much is the biakan? All right, guys. Whoa. So we're back in the present time. Dude, I went through this store. I was here about 2 days ago. There's nothing in here except the kid who looks like he's with the shits, which is never good news if you're trying to find fire. However, I did manage to pull off one little fantabulous find, and it's the vintage Reebok track pants with that heavy embroidery right there on the outside of your lower leg. There actually is a pic of me rocking some custom Jordans I made. Go ahead, take a little peek right now. But that's why you guys need to follow me on the ground, bruh. Be lit. The stories be lit. These pants, lit. I'm copping them, dude. Beautiful.
You're beautiful.
OMG, bro. I guess today I'm just doing straight up furniture purchases. This chair is sick. It's like a foldable, like, I guess like outdoors lawn chair type of thing. It's like 16 bucks,
but like the shape of it is dope. It just looks really cool. Look at it, man. Like you can imagine it outside with the little plant in the background. I'm grabbing it, dude. Yo, also in the hat section, dude, it's so weird. There's no music in here. Hey, yo, shout out this little antique Schwinn workout bike. But bro, they had this like plaid dog hat by Crimix. Got a little leather strap. I just love that it has a dog all embroidered. Yeah, I gotta get this, man. It's a dog rocking a scarf. High fashion.
High fashion.
All right, man, I'm sure the king of buying stuff I don't need. Look at this little vase though. It's cute, it's beautiful, it's blue. I'm gonna put plants in it. $2, why not? Okay, no way. So one little bonus find in this store is this little foldable lawn chair. Perfect size for a plush, like, bro, look at that. But just imagine like Donald or Mickey right there. Yeah, I gotta get this, dude. 99 cents. Oh my God. This is what I'm talking about, man. My dude is parking lot pimping right now in the lawn chair. Are you joking me, bruh? Yes. Woo. All right, glass. Wow, fuck, I'm an idiot. All right, class. I'm back right now from the Thrift in my amazing little new chair right here. This thing I got for like outdoor purposes. It actually is like dumb comfy and pretty stylish. Speaking of stylistic items of comfort and home decor, some of my favorite purchases today, aside from the clothes, which you guys can get at my pop-ups or at thrift-vintage.com. The link is in the description. It's my vintage website. Are of course the mustard and ketchup little bottles. These are really dope. I can't wait to fill them with soap and actually use them. They go nice in my kitchen, and if you guys remember, I just bought a little teapot, and that also goes great. I just love bright little colors, and these things are absolutely cute. So yeah, excited about those. And I also am excited about my little lawn chair, because while I'm sitting in this giant little chair right here, one of my plushes can be posted next to me, if I can figure out how to work this, and this guy right here. So also we got the little mini mustard and ketchup dynamic with the chair colorways. And then of course, I cannot wait to actually put a plant in this nice little pot right here. So I'm just gonna drill a hole in the bottom and then add a nice little plant on the inside and grow myself a nice voluptuous plant in here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked and loaded, and I am out. Turn on the bell for notifications too. It's Paul Cantu saying bye.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.